By fourth quarter, your gradebook is going to be pretty full. That's a lot of assignments to wade through. One way to make it a bit easier is when you're in your gradebook, click on the Filters and Options menu. And over here where it says Assignment Order, choose Newest to Oldest. Then your most recent assignments will appear first in the list of all of your assignments. One way to ensure that your assignments are always going into the correct grading periods is to set your settings. In the Gradebook menu, choose Gradebook Setup. Click on Gradebook Settings. Scroll down, and where it says Grading Period Default, choose My Last Selection. This will ensure that when you're in your assignment, the gradebook will remember the quarters that you selected. When the quarter changes from first quarter to second quarter, you'll only have to go in and uncheck this box once because the gradebook will remember your last settings.